The fourth quarter market reports are in, and we're going to talk about the Manhattan and Brooklyn markets here in New York City.
Yes, even with all the drama, fake news, and people leaving the city, economic headlines, and wavering mortgage rates, sales climbed, and homes were selling faster than they did in 2024.
So let's talk about Manhattan real estate. And the great news is that 2025 ended on a really positive note.
Exactly. Closings were up a bit, and the number of contracts signed is also trending upward. People are definitely still buying in Manhattan.
And inventory is really interesting. So if you're looking for resale homes, inventory was at a pretty decent level. New construction, however, inventory was super low. So ground up construction especially, your choices are limited.
High-end properties really drove the market too. Homes over $3 million sold fast as long as they were priced well. This bumped the median price to about $1.18 million.
And even though the average price per square foot dipped a little when compared to 2024, it's largely because 2024 had some insanely high sales, which skewed everything. Overall, 2025 has been pretty even-keeled.
So the takeaway? Manhattan's market is resilient. Sure, there are challenges such as inflation, interest rates, future politics, but heading into 26, we are really feeling optimistic.
So whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, Manhattan real estate is still moving, and we expect it to continue to do so throughout 2026.
Now let's talk about Brooklyn real estate, because despite all the headlines about zero inventory, the market here actually showed some solid strength at the end of 2025 with the sales they did have.
Exactly. And sales picked up for the second quarter in a row, which tells us even though people are being more thoughtful about their decisions, they are still making moves.
The biggest theme here is inventory. There just aren't many homes on the market, especially new developments, so buyers are working with limited options.
And because of that, resales really took center stage. Higher end apartments, especially in the resale category, did especially well, while more price-sensitive buyers took their time.
We also saw homes sitting on the market a bit longer, which actually gives buyers some breathing room. Not every place is flying off the shelf.
But prices stayed strong, especially for larger units and especially in really popular neighborhoods, places like Williamsburg, Greenpoint, and Dumbo.
So, Brooklyn may be tight on inventory, but the demand is still alive.
So looking ahead, the 2026 market looks to be resilient, very similar to what we saw throughout the last quarter of 2025. If you've got any questions about what this data means to you, give us a call today.